Okay, we are redoing the entryway. I cleared everything out. About to give it a spring cleaning, spring revamp. Comment below if you think we should do the wall black. We actually are, but comment below. Let me know what you think. This is the before. And let me go the other way. Okay, don't pay attention to that stuff because it was in the entryway and I pulled it over there. That chair as well, pulled it over there. But this is the entryway from this side. We're about to do a DIY right quick for this piece. Washing the rugs. About to give it a deep mop. I want to get rid of this mirror. We've already discussed that because it's really not a mirror. So we're going to get rid of that. So here the mister is trying to add this abstract piece I ordered off Amazon to this board that went on another picture that I showed you guys previously in another video. He's trying to add that on there like seamlessly, so he's laid it on the table and about to actually cut it. Okay, so here he's adding it to the frames and closing them up. If you don't know, these are some frames that I thrifted in a couple videos before. We're taking the tape off because we tried to tape it before we cut it, girl. We was trying all kinds of ways to actually do it before we. Turned out so nice. Period. I don't like that this light switches right here because it blocks to where you can't really center it like you want to because of the light switch. Yeah, but it looks good. This is the second one. Period.